Lady JJ, how are you?
I do okay.
You look sweet on top. You know, so I don't give you this compliment earlier on. I like this orange gown on you, by the way.
Thank you so much.
So I don't promise people say I will bring the fire based on your birthday. You know, say you report about God there and then Lady and this man R&B. You report both of them to me. So you don't settle with them now.
What didn't she talk? Which one we settle waiting?
No quarrel.
Yesterday,
no be quarrel.
Lady DJ say
I vex because
she vex. So say I no wish am
start
happy
with
birthday.
May I start with R&B? Why would I start with R&B and say when R&B doing your own birthday and I send that message, the report me give the whole word say I send them one line of a happy birthday. I don't even send them gift. In fact, Godwin support himself. Say as colleague I suppose do something for her, do something for him. Say I for even add something more to that one line where I send. R&B cut chain for me. I even they try explain to R&B say that time say I know to hold like that because I just pay rent. R&B just the talks. No, make I finish. No talk. When I finish, you go talk your own. R&B talk say that one no follow na normal something. To my surprise now, my own birthday come. Line I no see.
At least one line you no see.
I no see. He no even post my picture anywhere. Now, no, you don't do your own back to me now. Now, when I talk, they say, make I try understand now. Say, in made they fool. But when I try explain to you, say, I just pay rent, you try understand with me. You don't understand with me. You know, as in that thing paid me to my bill because I know, say, I post in picture, aside from sending them one, there's nobody in this Naija FM where we say they celebrate birthday. Where I know they post their picture. Always post their picture.
Okay, that one R&B, my own.
For Godwin too, now one line he sends me. After I send them picture, happy birthday, Lady J. Then he can't say, okay, make I send them the video. Now, yesterday I could even find out, say, him post the video for his story and he tagged me for inside them. Yesterday I find out that.
But you don't first go accuse me to Becca, say, I no post your picture. I no post anything. Meanwhile, I call Lady, I first comment for a post, say happy birthday. I call Lady J, say happy birthday. How are you celebrating your birthday? Send me that your video. Make I post for Naija FM social media and my own. I post Lady J on for Twitter and Instagram, Naija FM. Post her for my own Instagram. Tell her happy birthday after I call her. Lady J see me yesterday, accuse me, say I no post anything.
You know what I see.
Meanwhile, now she dey talk say I can't say go confirm. Now she dey confirm. Now say I post. The same me wait tell Lady J happy birthday. Send me that video. I like am. I edit the video. Even put happy birthday. That what you use with that.
No. I see.
I adjust her own video, put happy birthday song inside, post am. Lady J see come accuse me to Becca say I know. You understand what that they talk? You accuse me.
You
say
see,
I no post and then meanwhile
this,
I do everything. Lady J say I know.
In all of this, we for not they face this problem right now. Which Lady J get man when properly take care of her on that birthday day. Now why that? Because the absence of that man. Now why I expect so much from me?
Don't say that.
And
Don't
you.
say that.
No, but not true. Because
I
not see the reason why you go first.
No.
I not see the reason why you go first.
R&B. You dey married. But when I know send you birthday gift, you vex for me.
So hold on, all of us, all of which you choose not to be done. All of us understand say me and Godwin we dey play the role of boyfriend to you whether you like it or not, and I take pride in even doing that sometimes. I think now why the expectation of the day I say we not post the picture because you know as Becca I do throughout that Saturday I dey on 2 hours meeting. They try convince these people to invest for my show.
Just 2 minutes of posting no go disturb.
Only 9 a.m. as early to show why even verse me. I wake up early to make sure say I dey online, make sure say my network is strong. After talking for 2 hours, to say no with the way the country is, with the way this and we cannot. I can say wanna waste my time for the past 2 hours. You get so that whole you just spend my own. They're not come up for us. I never do. And if you notice, I'm not sure I even post anything that Saturday really. If you notice, opposite they promote my show reach. So you come in, they say, and not forget on Friday what happen. Not be all of us there here. When I wish, I personally said that one no matter. Say the birthday where I wish I
birthday. My birthday not be on Friday now. R&B.
Hold on, I just told you. I was on. I wish you happy birthday that day. I remember.
But that one matter now. In fact, say he remember the birthday. He come wish you at least a day before. He see you physically.
You see the thing now. Anytime R&B know they like accept say okay in there at 4 because when it be on your own.
But I tell her sorry yesterday. I tell her sorry yesterday.
Make I finish. When it be your own, you can't change for me. You can't change. You no more understand with me. Say I just pay something major, so I know to hold like that.
You know why? You know why?
Why?
You know why?
Why?
Because one good tongue deserve another
Oh,
tongue.
you don't do and finish now. So
I don't know if you get that. One good tongue deserves
One
another
good
tongue.
tongue.
Wait,
deserves
Lady
another.
J,
So in essence
Lady J,
now-
which one paying you part for the R&B own? Now this which way no wish you or say no do anything.
both.
Because you don't talk because you
You
talk
know,
about
you
the
know,
part
we
say
know now,
during your
because-
time that time you know who in complain.
He
So apart from
complain.
the wishing, now the fact say you no do anything also. But you forget
Yes.
that me and R&B raise money for Chinese for
last
you
birthday.
for your last
year.
birthday.
Which
What
I
is it?
always we see if una dey very honest with una self, I appreciate una finish. I talk am on air even when I dey post the videos for Instagram. I talk am and say R&B and
don't
Kobe
see
na
am,
him
I
make
don't
this
see
thing
that.
happen.
Fine, but
I talk am.
so-
I cannot
So
come
I
do
give
this,
una.
and you
I
wan come
give
kill
una.
me.
No. My point, not because you know do am this, that no be waiting they pay me. At least R&B, you don't even remember saying na my birthday.
I don't remember now. I wish
On
you
that
a day before your
you
birthday.
post my
Just
picture,
few hours to your
no.
day.
But I post your own.
I just told you what happened to be that Saturday
And
right now.
I know very well. So
Godwin.
anytime go R&B they doing, you go always changa behind.
Okay,
them.
my own
Like,
uncle.
Like, what about
My
when
own way
accuse
you
her?
accuse me where we can't find out everything we say I no do. I do
I
uncle.
apologize to you
Which day you apologize?
yesterday.
Me.
Yes.
After you argue, tell me say I know. When I show you proof, finish. Which apology you
I
apologize?
said they don't get any time.
You
where I don't
quiet,
apologize.
lady. When I don't finish, you quiet. You still go to investigation before you come the corner say you don't confirm.
Investigation. I don't do any
Now
investigation
they tell you
again
because you
now.
already don't accuse me ahead. Meanwhile, lady, I teach you one thing today. You need to learn this thing. Sometimes people no go do what you expect.
Then to do.
You need to remember the times when they do when you no expect.
Respect.
When we raised money for you over
Now, we
about
full
60,000 last year
grandma.
for birthday for you. Use that one cover our sin of this year because so
That's
many
so.
things don't happen. Election, people don't dey heartbroken. R&B they plan show, the video don't collect in dates. All those things dey. Distraction dey.
You see-
Oh, man,
So
tell you,
you go
people
wait.
frustration.
See,
Now that Friday.
if you
Now
want
the video announce the date, but me
See,
don't find out the which I
I
don't
know
say
they
you go
ask
postpone
say
and
make una
postpone
give me
am. Only
gift.
for the video to say they
I know
do
they
something.
ask
No.
make una
You
give
know
me
say I pass
anything.
to see my own, see my
No,
name.
una dey get am
I
wrong.
don't talk to
no,
Okologo.
no,
Una dey get am
no.
wrong.
See what I dey
know
see.
they
No,
ask
I know they
make
get
give
around.
me
See what I dey
anything.
tell you here.
I know the same give me
Lady J,
anything.
I know they thought say you know they see
Na me start am
anybody
o.
wey dey this studio wey dey work for this building wey dey work for this Naija FM OAP e get right to some extent to vex if your colleagues no wish you happy birthday.
Yeah.
In that be that as it may, as you get that right, the way you go take react to that right, you go first calm down, think first. And when you don't find out that this person na constant thing, now you go come vex more. If like say you sit down and consider them, apart from the situation where they around the town and say R&B they pressure and all, because of insurance and all that. If you remember, say but last year this guy exposed me, then raised about 60,000 for me for my birthday and all those stuff. Okay, maybe this time then they distracted. If you remember that one, it go help you pipe down low.
Yeah,
But because you
don't
don't even
touch
sit down
you.
and think
You
am,
don't
now
reason
make you
am.
not even realize say
You see?
I even post you.
You see
And you
the
vex.
thing here. Now you want me, okay? And the bad thing in all this thing I say when I do good finish, when I remember you say you do well for me, una know they remember those times. I remember very
understand
well.
wetin
Wait,
you
make
talk.
I finish.
You understand,
I
Godwin?
remember
I dey
very
try
well.
understand.
I remember very well how una take raise money for me last year. I no go ever forget that gesture as long as I live. I no take am for granted. This year I no say as una raise money for me last year, you can't raise money for me again. No, another waiting I dey ask for. When R&B doing birthday, I dey try explain to R&B say I just pay something major now, so I know to go. R&B no one even want understand with me at that time.
Wait I will ask for breakfast, Abi. I still
Yeah,
remember.
you
Just
vex.
breakfast.
I say I know whole enough. You say lie, Lady J, you
You
get
see,
money.
you
Make
know
I
why- you
finish
know
now. R&B no they cut into me.
Oh, yeah,
Let
nah.
me
Man,
finish.
I no cut into you.
You see your life. You see where your mind they go. No, they interject. No, they interrupt me. Now, what I mean be that. Now I tell you, say I just pay something major. I know you no agree, understand me. But now, where be say everything don't heavy for your head. Now, Lady J, try and understand with me.
So you
now.
don't want to understand that back.
You now you dey try to.
You
now
want-
they
you
try
want
to make them
events.
understand. Say sometimes not be only you they go through. Not be only you they go to one.
But the
I need to
man
get my
can't
own.
tie.
When I explain to you, you no want understand.
No, but if he no agree understand that time.
I get
if
it,
he
Godwin, you
say
know why?
if he even say he get reason not to understand,
You know
but I
why?
tell you why. Because before that in own, we don't organize for you, so we expect say you no go forget in own.
Not be even that one, Godwin.
That one na one
na
example.
point where I no even reason you. what I will talk that day, I still clearly remember when I did buttress my point on and I say, even on a norm, Lady J, I did do you well. On a norm, we know say you know they always get money. But because of my birthday, you should be able to make that sacrifice and say, I don't want to be, take this because birthday, this now like special day. I don't know if you get my point. Because on a norm, I know if you go mean Lady J say, buy food for me. I don't know if you get because when I don't get more. So as now my birthday is supposed to be a special day when you just say, okay, I never do for this guy 365 days, but this one day, my own Bible paper. That was my point I was trying to prove to you that day on my birthday.
Okay, now my birthday too. So if you feel
if I just say
now,
you
suppose also post my picture. True. You dey post my picture every day? No. So I don't say give me money. R&B, hear me well. I don't say count 5,000, give me. No.
You know what?
Even a happy birthday, Lady J.
When be your birthday?
Even a happy birthday, Lady J. Meant a lot.
Next year.
You know what? I don't go even.
Somebody here say R&B. Just said to Lady J, give her 10K so that you go try stretch. You go calm down and see roads. Charles from Bariga. Another person here, I just dey tell you the message where people talk. Another person here say, I beg you, Becca, please tell Lady J not to be unnecessarily emotional. These things happen. Somebody put on here, not be me.
You see now. You see now. Now the thing be that when I dey talk my point, now they dey emotional. It dey somehow. It just be like say it dey okay for you to do what you need to you want to.
Okay, Lady
Make
J,
I understand with you.
You are being emotional.
No. Post-belated birthday.
Lady J, what do you chop on your birthday?
I don't chop anything.
I don't understand. You never eat since Saturday.
She did church.
I go rehearsals now.
She know they fast for the rehearsal now.
I go rehearsal. I know do anything.
So you know
like
you
that.
throughout Saturday.
Normal food now.
Which one with normal food? I don't know what thing exactly with the normal food.
Normal food for house.
And you eat with that now. You eat birthday food.
I go house now. I chop food for house. That's
J not follow me. So
I know they follow you. Hey. Me, I know they follow you.
They follow me. I don't know.
Hey, you see now. You see now. You see now. You see, and now tomorrow now they go they cut for me saying I mean they do the most.
No, now see, you see, recently
I don't they follow you since.
I don't know. I don't they follow you. Becca,
all of us they follow ourselves.
So for you,
okay.
You don't follow Lady J.
I say I don't even know Lady J. The last hand when
but if it be
when
you know that you change your hand when they hack the other
I
one.
will announce some.
But maybe you know consciously.
I remember another one I follow. I even called the people for somebody when YP retrieve the account back that time. Say you get up make I say she not.
Nah, that change. That's just not that change.
Okay, I beg her, please tell R&B and Lady J say round 1 don't finish. Make them first go drink water before we start round 2.
All this violent violence.
With the people.
See, I know what Lady J they look for.
When they inside studio, we never buy VIP tickets.
You know what happened? Lady J get plenty things for her mind. Where she dey deal with. Maybe they make her dey distracted. Like this morning now. First of all, I see Lady J and I accuse her. I say, Lady J, you supposed to send one email yesterday. You know, she said she don't send the email. They don't even write approval for the email. Meanwhile, now when I notice in the night, say she never send email. Now me send email. The one where they approve, I copy her. That one where she see, she tell me say she remember typing the mail.
But she no say, she no click on
send. She can't find her. I said, find the mail. She no see her. So Lady J, whatever they distract you like this,
no let her stress.
Whatever it is, you are here.
See, you know what I know what Lady J want make I do actually. Which it did my mind. Now just say right now.
What you want me to do?
I no talk make you do anything.
No, see, I go shock you. But your way be my show.
I understand. Say you
pray for the success of my show.
I'm a very, very considerate person. That's the truth. I'm a very considerate person.
I don't find out now.
No, not the truth. Not the truth.
This one I'm breaking news.
R&B. I know send you
message. I don't post your picture of belated
R&B. I know say give me this, give me that, because I understand say you get something major for front. My own I say, look, if I fit understand with you when you are going through one thing, then also understand with me too.
Reason with me.
You know too hard.
Get today,
you know hard.
Get that
no, that is all I'm saying. That is summary of everything where they talk.
Try to understand with me. If I no get today,
how is your picture fine though?
That you know, you know, see they even look sweet today too.
Nah, I see am. Where you for taker? This dress, nah, you know.
Now what for you?
Now photographer say me do one like this.
How?
Wow.
Let me do it.
I don't see all this. You know, saying all of this, I don't see all this picture.
Now because you
I
dey follow
swear,
her.
I wasn't just social media active that day. Like I just did that from that Davido news to on Saturday meeting when all.
About God, there, this one is for you. They say you don't talk to Heineck. Say you they rig the results of this conversation between Naira and Lady J. They say, well, they read waiting there. They say, stop, tell Mr. God to stop rigging the conversation.
My name is not Mahmoud Yakubu or Atairu Jega.
Hey, all right, so brand 2. We'll start.
What do you mean, Morrissey?
Please, round 1.
What is the first one? Man?
Okay, for Bassett John time. Yeah.
Round 1 finish. Thank you so much.
We'll move to
something else. So, you get one Dutch musician where they face one court beat. They once tried to stop in obsessive sperm donation because he don't really get. He said he's already on the way to father 550 children around the world. So this is Dutchman. His name na Jonathan Jacob. Now 41 years old. They say he don't mislead hundreds of women all over the world and may have even fathered nearly 550 children, according to the Donor Kid Foundation. That is now there. He dey go donate his sperm. Where they sue him right now. Say waiting happen. You don't donate sperm reach 550 or more than that already. So this Oga, Mr. Naija from the Hague, Netherlands, they say they blacklist him for 2017 after the Dutch Society of Obstetrics and Gynecology warned him, say may stop because he had already fathered 102 children through different clinics in Netherlands, but he still continue to go donate his sperm abroad for Denmark, even for inside Ukraine. So he don't offer his services through websites and social media, according to the Dutch news website AD. Eva, the Dutch woman at the center of the court case, too been get child by Mr. Naija, this same man, for 2018. As she also make her, said the woman said it made her feel sick to her stomach that he had fathered so many children. She said, if I had known that he had already fathered more than 100 children, I would never have chosen him. If I think about the consequences this could have for my child, I am sick to my stomach. Many mothers have told him he needs to stop, but nothing helps. So going to court is the only option they have to protect our children.
What's it? How much did they pay him?
I want to know because if I say
money go there involved. Now the guy they
and he don't father more than
the guy
like 550.
The guy, you know say
500 and what?
50.
You know say one single man get enough sperm to populate the entire earth.
Yeah.
So that not be new thing. Say the man they donate. Of course, the guy they active. They donate. Well, and a lot of women they look for donors when no fit born or some we don't be single mothers or we want get surrogate and all, or people just want born pikin without no. So but you know say well, it depends on which they pay. Maybe na your occupation.
What be the population of Dutch now?
The Dutch
because the chances of the children they meet.
They go around Europe. They go Denmark and other places.
Around the world.
Before you even donate units for the whole of Netherlands. You understand? Because you know they talk to donation, we they look at like say if you donate once, maybe they now one quantity waiting for that small container.
No,
and they will give one person.
No.
You know
what I mean? You know how many millions of whatever they there. So I think they give small. So you don't donate for you know how many clinics go there Netherlands and the whole of Europe and all that. And remember those days when I did school. One of those morning like that, I see one man is down. They go school, so I sit down. Okay, I don't go class. They say lecturer no call, we no get lecture. I can't go back to class to my at the store of campus. I can't see one guy. The man sit down by the side of the road. Can't they beg me for money? I can't. What thing do you know where? Saying well, they say, but in wife and in 2 children in their house, no money to feeding the hungry. This one I tell them like 99, 2000. Now, so what thing do your hand? Apparently, the man say he no get work. So what thing they normally do? In they go donate blood. They pay him money. So he don't do professional blood donator. So say it don't just now they don't last making it they come again until making it come only once every 3 months. At one point they donate every week. You go donate this week. Donate. Then they give them a particular amount of money and that money to they feed in family. They got to say at the level when don't they now if you donate until after every 3 months. So right now say if you don't go do a normal donation. But no money. So now make and they beg say in the next 3 months you go donate. I think they pay him money that time. So kind of money, but they don't feel pay him again because and the guy don't lean. I call it now. They collect. You for different hospitals. They donate for different places. They collect money. They feed in family. This was that 2000 for school.
Now.
Fresh now.
I think the box is never that one. I think
enough intelligent. No, I don't understand. You think which box is she be man?
I know fine.
Man, they don't. You man, they
donate. You want donate? Yeah, everything will concern money. Why your job better?
We dey talk about man. You say you tick which box you tick. You generate sperm.
But I don't say Lady J na man.
Lady J, but they donate every week.
No, because Lady J was big way for that side. You understand? Based on her height.
Do your finger like this, Lady J. I say.
Look in hand now.
I see your finger.
Look Lady J hand.
For fat oh.
No way.
And the quantity when they come out, it will be quality and quantity. If they thick.
This everybody colo like
enough.
Yeah, you get waiting women know when women they quit know when men don't go ever quit know. I remember the first person when tell me say you go born twins. This was like years. This was like years ago.
For your body, maybe I go look am. I go
so
look forward.
So you don't understand when you don't trust person. You just decide come for. Can't throw away for body. So the idiot just say see you go born twins. I still remember Caroline.
You don't expose yourself to so many.
This was like years ago, Godwin. When we still there outside. Now people tell me say I can't ask how you tell me say depending on how thick he be, now you go inside the state.
It gets some kind testimonials where you go get from some girls where you say you forget now. I remember one of my babe tell me before say any girl will not be satisfied, no be normal human being. You tell me now. He say because Baba, he say because you carry and then he say any
all this advert when the advertise.
Is there anybody where any girl will not be satisfied?
What is this advertisement?
We
just talk say that Dutch guy just did say that guy now.
He not rich when they come Nigeria. You know say na from Guma also know say na fingers that they measure. Na Guma na say they bring your finger. You look my finger.
They will say
some fingers they disappoint too.
How was his arm?
Yeah, how was his arm? No bring.
It's huge.
It's wow.
You say the hand is long.
All
these things they scientifically back. How did you maintain?
No, but you know say sometimes,
yeah,
like back at the top, sometimes no be true. You understand? But every part of your body gets measurement where correspond. Like here to here now your shoe size.
Yeah. Then also your neck. If you put trouser around your neck, now the size
your
of
waist.
your waist.
We know that one.
Why the finger not go this?
And then the tip of the tip of your middle finger to the next tip of like the tip of your middle finger to the tip of your other middle finger. Now be your height.
Your height.
Then too, wait till be the no.
You want go right?
No, I want to talk something about saying.
You know where Becca they told the Becca don't beat person where you see.
They check the space where they between this one and this one too. Okay.
Is the way.
Becca,
I don't check. I check the difference where they be the third mainland breed and the new breed where they don't construct. Now wait till I check. I beg.
Some will know assistant. Well done,
before we go, say get one website talk so we go just discuss based on some people where they give their experience on the yellow downfall experience. So you got one lady, her name na Shade. He said one day I was coming back from work around 8 p.m. An old man sat beside me in the downfall I budget. He placed the yellow keg, a small yellow keg between us on the seats. A few minutes later, he brought down this yellow keg, opened it, peed inside, and put the keg back again in between us. Inside the point, like I said, some of the urine been there the keg. So she can't feel the warmth of the urine from the keg for her leg. He said immediately. Say she come down from the motor, say she know they go. She know they go again.
No.
Oh my God.
Sorry, that would be violent.
So the man pees for her presence inside the door.
The man goes and pee for the keg.
Come bring the keg back.
Come bring the keg back.
No way.
What do you want you to do?
I don't know. Maybe
urinary.
Maybe he get problem. Maybe he get problem with to pee.
Yeah. So he does a pee for there, So another one of day here. This person talk say I was going to meet my married boyfriend at the hotel. He had sent me 20k for both, but I decided to take downfall to save money. In the downfall, I had my AirPods and I was chewing gum. That's why a lady in her 30s sitting beside me asked me to stop because the sound of the gum was disturbing her. I told her to shut up and mind her business. I shall continue chewing my gum. She then told the driver to park, dragged me down. I was so ready to fight her head to toe until I heard why on my back. Koboko. That was when my eyes open and I saw that she be soldier. She was wearing She called to make I do frog jump.
No.
I have to tell my man that something they came up, I couldn't go again.
First of all, in as much as that is funny, that is funny.
Be like say go catch you. They give you money to enter boat. You say nah boss, you enter. You want save cost.
Why we take your boyfriend? See what you had about beat you.
Wow, but that for experience, bad thing about that for. It never decide that for in the fall.
Because
they got to close the door, but the door don't get window. and then the roof they leak. You go say everybody gonna shift. And then maybe you know the time when the ball's full. No where the wire just regularly touch your body. You go just think your life. Say God. Who do me? You just swear for everybody. God punish poverty. God deliver people.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.